Wondering how to watch Prime Video free on a website? In this video, I will show you how to watch Prime Video free using the official website, how the free trial works, and how to access Prime Video safely using the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. If you want to watch Prime Video free on the website right now, click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. That link takes you directly to the official Prime Video website. Let's start with the legal way to watch Prime Video free on a website. The main method is using the official free trial, if available for your account. During the free trial period, you get full access to Prime Video directly from your browser. Here is how to watch Prime Video free on the website step by step. Step 1. Click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. Step 2. Sign into your Amazon account or create one for free. Step 3. Check if a free trial is available for you. Step 4. Activate the free trial. Step 5. Start streaming directly from the official Prime Video website without downloading any app. That is the safest and legal way to watch Prime Video free on a website. Always use the official and real link in the description and pinned comment to avoid fake streaming sites. Many unofficial websites claim to offer Prime Video free, but they are illegal and may expose your personal data. The only legal way to watch Prime Video free on a website is through the official trial or verified promotions. If your account is eligible, you can watch movies, TV shows, and exclusive Prime originals during the free period. If you do not want to continue after the trial, make sure to cancel before the billing date. Always review the billing details and cancellation policy on the official page accessed through the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. Let's summarize how to watch Prime Video free on a website. Use the official free trial. Access the official Prime Video website. Activate through the official and real link. Avoid unofficial streaming websites. If you want to check your eligibility and start watching Prime Video free on the website today, open the description and click the official and real link in the pinned comment now. That is the safest and most reliable way to get started.